Safety Talk number 94. Bench grinders. All abrasive wheels can be damaged if not properly stored or handled. Never drop, hit, or bang abrasive wheels. When moving them, roll them carefully from one place to another. If the wheel is too large to carry by hand, use a cart or proper equipment. Store wheels away from grease, water, and solvents. Do not store them in high humidity areas. They can sweat when moved to different temperatures. Avoid storing wheels in freezing temperatures. Let the wheel reach room temperature before mounting or using it. Always inspect wheels for cracks or damage before mounting. If the packaging shows any sign of damage, inspect the wheel very carefully. Use the ring test to check for cracks. Support the wheel with a finger or rod through the hole. Tap the side gently with a non-metallic object, like a wooden or plastic screwdriver handle. Tap about 2 inches from the edge. If the wheel gives a clear, metallic ring, it is likely in good condition. If the sound is dull or flat, the wheel may be cracked. Rotate the wheel and repeat the test at different points around its edge. Avoid tapping near the center hole. This can give a false reading. Maintain balance and surface condition to ensure safe and smooth operation. Clean or dress the wheel regularly. Use the correct dressing tool and tool rest. Adjust the rest so the dresser moves evenly across the wheel face. Follow these safety practices when using bench or pedestal grinders. Always wear safety goggles and a face shield. Use hearing protection, steel-toed shoes with metatarsal guards, and a proper apron. Do not wear gloves when working with small pieces. Gloves can get caught between the wheel and the workpiece or rest. This can pull your hand into the wheel. If hand protection is necessary, use extreme caution before using the grinder. Check that all guards are secure and correctly positioned. Ensure the tool rest is locked in place and adjusted to within 1/8 inch of the wheel. Inspect the wheel for cracks, imbalance, or misalignment. Do not use the grinder until these issues are corrected. Do not grind on the side of the wheel unless it is designed for that purpose. Most bench grinder wheels are for peripheral grinding only. Bring the workpiece to the wheel slowly and gently. Never bang or force it against the wheel. Apply only the necessary pressure. Too much pressure can overheat the wheel, damage the part, or cause injury. Before grinding, let the wheel spin at full speed for at least 1 minute. Stand to the side, not directly in front of the wheel. Only use wheels approved for the specific job. Pedestal grinders must be anchored to the floor. Bench grinders should be bolted securely to the bench. Secure equipment means safer work.